How to create AI forms using Fillout AI. First, open your web browser and go to fillout.com. Then sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create, then select Form. Next, choose Generate with AI if it's available, or click Start from Scratch and use the AI assistant. Now describe the form you want to create. For example, type Create a customer feedback form with name, email, rating, comments, and a recommendation question. Then click Generate. Fillout AI will automatically create your form with the appropriate fields and layout. Review the generated form and customize it by adding or removing questions, changing field types, or updating the design to match your needs. Next, click Preview to test your form and make sure everything works correctly. Finally, click Publish to generate a shareable link. You can also embed the form on your website or share it through email, social media, or anywhere else. That's it. You've successfully created an AI form using Fillout AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.